Maya want quit. Wait till they hear. Would Maya want quit YouTube? Are you sure? To do what? He want become a farmer. Let's dive to our today topic. Let you know whether not true or not be true. Okay. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this girl, this lady, yes, I be lady. You mean I don't look like that. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across Naija Daughter TV, do well to subscribe. Do well to join this beautiful family. No, now they always they wait for saga. I beg. No, now they watch our normal video. Now beg me, they beg. No be saying I by force. Okay, all my subscribers, please. Okay, just like my channel for just like a natural. No be when correct. Today I bring our brother WODE MAYA come this house today. I go like may we listen to am before we dive into the today topic by our own opinion. Waiting our brother re-talk whether it makes sense to quit YouTube to become a farmer. Let's hear from him before we conclude. Okay.
I feel like quitting YouTube and farmer because of what doctor is saying 5 minutes ago. Do me a favor in this video. I mean, see.
My people now here, he said he want quit YouTube because how a daughter from America leave daughter work. He go wear farm clothes. He pull the clothes. Now my brother WODE MAYA say if a daughter can quit a daughter and become a farmer, he want quit the whole YouTube to become a farmer. My people, what do you think? What our brother think? He said now he want empower a lot. That is Africa youth. They don't ever say good thing will ever come Africa. That is they go ever make them from Africa. Africa youth. They don't know whether they will make them from Africa. Let's listen to this guy a little before.
This thing can actually make money. It's like all of a sudden my eyes were enlightened. They were opened up. So first I told myself I need to tell other people about this. So just to recap, the most important thing that should help you decide if you want to start a poultry farm is availability, commitment, passion, location of the farm, and resources. If you can deal with those 5, answer them, and you can handle all of them, then welcome to the business. You're ready to start a poultry farm. Secondly, I want to get this big. I do remember everything vividly. You see, this is my poultry farm where everything started a few years back. And I remember everything coming up because right now I'm in the process of building another structure in this area. So everything has flashed back vividly. Just how I was starting everything, and it seemed so complicated. It seemed like I knew to myself, we need to expand, get as big as possible. So that was the journey. So I started with about 750 bags, 800 ideally. I paid for 750, they gave me 50 extra, I got 800 bags. Started with that. Started expanding. That was 2019. Started expanding. 2020, I brought in now 2,000 bags. And then in 2020, at the end of 2021, then that's when this got into the picture. Standing on 400 acres of land. And what do you do in here? So this is 400 acres of land, and I would even call it a mixed farm because it's not only poultry that we have over here. Okay. Yeah, so this is what they call a breeder farm. Now, a breeder farm is different from what they call a commercial farm because it requires way more expertise and it's more complicated.
My people, they take you not time much. Now, if you go WODE MAYA, maybe if you never watch and come across this my channel, you are interested to know more of this video, then go to WODE MAYA. Yes, now our Africa brother from Ghana, now still big YouTuber for our Africa circle too. You go his channel, go watch the full video about this a daughter who become a farmer, who want make our brother quit a YouTube channel to become a farmer. Yes, my own, I will drop my own 2 cents. Wait till I think about our brother quitting YouTube to become a farmer. No, he don't want to quit YouTube to become a farmer. He just tried to encourage our youth. When we always they look and say, now abroad will fulfill maker. Say without abroad, we know fulfill maker. Now I make our brother talk like that. And this man, when he leave America, when he be daughter and he pull his daughter uniform and he wear farm uniform, he know what he wants. And he measure that is what you're supposed to get before you go make your decision to become a farmer. Not only farmer, you need to make your decision. Anything you are doing, you know, you need to focus, you need to get that energy, you need to get the passion, you know, anything you are doing, including me once down for yesterday, make YouTube. they make video without passion, without no be wetin I like, without no, maybe they force me put, I no fit. E no easy to sit down to make video. I mean, I tell you the truth. You know, for this our brother to quit, to leave America, a daughter to leave America. For me, I still get dream of that, about that farm. I still love farm. Farm get different type. You can get fish, poultry na farm. You can get this fowl, all those fowl when they do just now na farm. A lot of things, pig, animals, all those goats, all those many things dey. Cow sef na still farm. Before agriculture, maybe they plant corn, garri, cassava, gbogbo, you know, and things really dey inside that thing. I go look for this man prophecy when he say Africa go back to where we start from. Farm is our calling. May we not just neglect our farm. God give us good land to produce. We supposed to dey produce, to dey invest. That is, we will dey produce, we will dey give out food. All those oyibo people, they go come our country, come go buy food. I believe a lot of people listen to that prophecy of Prophet TV Joshua. May so rest in peace. So 2013, now he laid that prophecy of Africa go back to farm. He said, Africa, go back to your farm. Go farm. That is our call. He said, leave all those oil, leave all those mineral resources. He said, go back to farm. May we start farm. A lot of people will take advantage of it. I believe say they are success today. They are successful. They are successful. I believe so. I believe. You see a daughter, if a daughter can quit and go Africa and start a farm. So they now see fowl everywhere, see egg. Wetin he dey find for America when for comot light dey everything dey, but for my country I pray say if we get light for Nigeria, we get good road, we get security, many people in diaspora they will go back. That one now in fact na 100%, because this guy now where for the farm there he get light before he leave America. Imagine you when you don give birth to children for where light dey, you just find yourself in dark place. Children come dey ask you, daddy, mommy, on the light on, you no see light. You come dey hear generator gbogbo, you no fit sleep. You know, I pray if my own country, Nigeria, because many people, when be doctor, when be lawyer, when be anything for this abroad, they would love to go back home to go and start something. Because I remember when Prophet TB Joshua prophesied this thing, say, may Africa, may we go back to our farm, may we go to the farm. A lot of people still come out of the same church, testify how their farm they do well, how their fish farm, how they are, no, a lot of people testify. May he so rest in peace. Yes, I miss him. Yes, our brother WODE MAYA, they quit, they quit YouTube, and waiting the video, and that is where he go when he go interview somebody when the daughter. How can a daughter quit a daughter, say they go back to Africa, go invest? You can do it. And if you be youth out there, you dey Africa, you know me say you must get billions before you will start something doing. If you start, as our Prophet TB say, anything start small, finish am. You know, anything when you start small, it must big. No, many of us, many of our Africa youth also, as this ex-Ghana president, when he sit up, he say, if you give Africa person youth something, now maybe he gets money, wetin he go dey think for his brain now, how to he want take the buy clothes or they import from China. They close their border. They don't dare Africa to bring something goods into China. China produce their thing. Now make China become who they are today. If Africa can do so, I believe when they say government, at least 50% the thing go reduce, because many of us now we don't want to do anything again. We want wear already made, we want it already made, we want to, see a lot of things when mostly with the Africa, a lot of sickness where they talk today now. We don't know how they produce food. No man, God bless us with good land. That is natural food. But today now, chemic everywhere. My people, my brother, my sister, if you dey Africa, you can still make it. That is true. Start with the little one you get, okay? Start with the little one. No place like home. I know, no place like home. But if you see opportunity, maybe your country, it still be like my Naija, and it is not better, you see opportunity. Okay, but for me, if you get small money, start something. You can start poultry. If your papa get land, you can start farm, agriculture. Maybe you don't like to farm. Like me, I don't like to go farm more, but I go fit do a fish farm. I go fit do fowl farm. You dey see, I love those things to do. If you dey there, no fold your hand, try and do something. If a daughter can do something, leave America, go back to him home Africa and invest, because he get the money. One, he get the money. One, he country get light. Two, yes, so because that I not believe say place like Nigeria, you need to get solar energy. If you not come a person when you get that kind of money, you better dey where you dey suffer. But if my country become my country today, I believe say many of us will still go, as I first talk, Our brother Wood Maya no dey quit YouTube. Oh, he say make una give am thumbs up, please, guys. If una dey watch our video, make una dey give thumbs up. This thumbs up is very important. Una dey tell YouTube say una like wetin we dey do. Okay, make una not just dey watch and go, watch and look. Okay, please join this beautiful family. And secondly, our brother Wood Maya, he no wan quit YouTube. Oh, now where he travel go, the person wey he interview na break come my table. You know, so I say I go dey update now. As our brother still give us permission, say make we dey talk about him. Good, no be when something happen to him, when they hack his channel, because they talk about him. Make we try see they talk wetin they bring come, and make we still dey try to dey share am for our channel. As far as I got this opportunity, I still bring am come my channel. The good thing when he try to do to bring the good part of Africa out. As he interview this guy, and I believe say a lot of people when you go come across that video, he go impact their life and he go change their life. Who get maybe 1,000 naira before, and he see this guy, he hear the story of this guy, how he take start. I believe he go pick himself from there. He go make something out of that 1,000 naira. I just put 1,000, and not be say 1,000. I just put them like that. Okay, my people, do well to join this beautiful family. As I first stated talk, give me a thumbs up. What do you think about a daughter who leave America, go back to Africa, become a farmer? What do you think? If now you go do one. If na you, if na me, if my country get light, if my country get security, why not? But if my country not get security, not get light, how I want to survive? No, I not fit. For me, I not go fit. But if my country get light, it get security, why not? No place like home. Let me tell you the truth. No place like home. No place like home. How many times I talk, no place like home. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Do it to join this Naija Daughter TV. Share my video if you like, or give me a thumbs up. No, be say if you like. If you be Facebook, any of the social media, share the video. Okay, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Share